so excited for this video. I have right here the new Dawson and Jeffree Star Cosmetics makeup. I'm so excited. I am such a fan of both. I'm in Canada and I purchased this on Friday. I'm gonna get into the unboxing, but I purchased this on Friday when it went live. I ended up getting it on Beautylish. I had both websites opened up. I had like the Jeffree Star Cosmetics website open and the Beautylish website open, and they both crashed, but Beautylish ended up coming up first, like, you know what I mean, refreshing first, so I was able to, oh my gosh, look at the packaging. This is my first time ordering from Beautylish. So I ordered it on Friday and it got here today, which is Tuesday. It's so pretty, I don't want to like touch it. Okay, so then you open that part and it looks like this. Black tissue paper. I can't believe it's here. I am such a nerd, but I love makeup so much. Oh, okay, so the first thing I see here, oh, did I get a sample? Instant cleansing balm. So anyways, we're not here for the samples. We're here for this. Okay. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so it came packaged really well. I can't believe I have it in my hands. I think knowing how much attention to detail went into this and the hard work really makes you appreciate makeup that much more. Like, that's a thing we don't usually get to see. Okay, so I'm going to start with, I ended up getting the bundle. I feel like the biggest nerd ever, but I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Okay, this like does not feel like your average everyday packaging. It like feels fancy. It's like textured. So this is the mini controversy. I don't know why my eyes are watering. I'm such a nerd. Oh, I love it. I love the logos. I love how it looks like static. I like don't want to throw out any of the packaging, knowing how much work and detail went into it. Like, I just feel like I couldn't. Oh my gosh. This is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. Look. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's so nice. It's like, I don't know. It's kind of sturdier than I don't know what I was thinking. I don't know. Like, I don't own any Jeffree Star makeup. This is my first, so I don't know. I don't know what I was thinking. I thought it would be like flimsier. It's really like, it's legit. Okay, I'm so excited. Oh. Oh my God. Knowing the work that goes into it just makes it like that much more special. Oh my gosh. Wow. I'm so excited for the color My Apology, because I wore a color very similar to that on my wedding day and I don't have it. I don't have a color like that. The Conspiracy palette. Okay, I'm so excited. You guys! What the heck? I didn't own anything like this. Wow, this is so, look, it's like a, you guys already know. You guys know. I'm like the last one ever to post a video, but okay, I'm really excited for the clasps. I love like that kind of stuff. The detail. Oh my God. Wow. 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 It's so beautiful. I did my foundation and, you know, all my face makeup. I did do some swatches because I was just like, I don't know what I want to do. Like, I don't know. Well, I'm overwhelmed. I think I'm going to go with this palette today. If you guys are interested in seeing what I come up with for the controversy, the mini controversy palette, let me know, because I would love to use this color. I really love that color. But anyway, I don't know, maybe I'll dip into it, I don't know. But I swatched the Conspiracy palette. They all were like beautiful. The shade Trisha, I just don't know. I don't know. I'm really excited to like play around with colors. This is my first like really colorful palette. I'm gonna go into the shade My Pills. I'm going to put that all over the lid. I do have my lids primed with Shape Tape and powder. That's a perfect base. I always lay down a light color as a base. I just find my shadows blend better when I have that going on. I don't know, it's just a thing. There, we're really close now. I think I'm gonna go crazy and I'm gonna go into pigment. Should I? Wow, it is pigmented, and this is my first time working with Jeffree Star eyeshadow, and I must say, my very, very, very first impression is great. Wow, I dipped in one time. Wow, that all blended very beautifully. I'm going to go into Tanacon. That color is really pretty. My Pills, Tanacon, and Root Beer. I know those will get a lot of use from me. And I'm just going to go just in my crease. Like the pink, I blew out the crease, you know what I mean? I just did it all over up there. But this, I'm trying to stick with it just in the crease, just to give it a bit, I don't know. I don't know why I do it, I just do. Going by my swatches, I really want to use Sleep Paralysis. Like, I really want to use that color. I love that color. As soon as I seen Shane developing it in the series, I thought that it was beautiful. Okay. Ooh. It's really pretty. Okay, I'm getting fallout. I'm not sure if you can see. It's not a big deal to me. I just swipe it away. I don't care. That's the, like, honestly, like, I get fallout from pretty well everything I do. I don't know. Maybe I just press too hard. Okay, so that's the color there. I'm going to try to intensify it a bit and wet my brush and just see how that looks on this eye. Yeah, like, holy crap. I don't know if you can see the difference. It intensifies it way more. Okay, I think I want to put a color on my outer corner. I think I'm going to do, I don't know. I kind of want to do spiraling, this one, or Not a Fact. I think I'm going to go in with spiraling. Ooh. I'm like kind of blown away by the pigment. Oh, it's so pretty. There is a lot of fallout, but I don't care. Like, it's not worth complaining over to me. Like, I guess I could see how it would get annoying, but it's just kind of part of the process. Just taking a clean brush and I'm just gonna buff it out. I literally just put that on my outer corners because I always make my outer corners really dramatic. Do you know what I mean? Not dramatic, well, it is dramatic, but dark. I just like to have a really dark shade. I'm really liking this. I'm really, really liking this. Like, loving it. Okay. I'm going to go in with Ranch And I'm gonna put that in my inner corners. Oh my gosh, it's ranch. Wow, it actually looks like ranch. I don't know. Imagine it smelled like ranch. Can you imagine it smelled like ranch? Should I put some up there? I never put shadow up here. I'm gonna put ranch up here as well. Ooh, she's getting fancy. I think I'm going to go in with root beer. I've not used that shade yet. I used Canicon, but I didn't use root beer. So I think I'm gonna go in with root beer. Wow. This palette is so worth it to me. Mind you, this is my first Jeffree Star palette, so like I don't know. Like I'm sure all of his palettes are like this. But it is nice. I just want to use a lot of colors, right? So I think I'm going to use that Not a Fact color. This purple one, Not a Fact. And I'm going to kind of use that as liner for my lash line. I never use eyeliner. I always use shadow for liner. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that's really pretty. That's really pretty. I shouldn't say I never use liner. I use liner, but I like to use shadow. And then I think I'm going to like try to smoke out the line I just did a little bit and kind of mix both colors together. I'm actually going to go in with more of that color, Not a Fact, because I really like it. I really like it. I feel like I should have went with Not a Fact instead of root beer. I really like it. Okay, so I put my mascara on and some lipstick. I wasn't able to get my hands on any of the lip collection. I basically put the palettes in my cart and like checked out as soon as possible, but I do hope to get my hands on maybe the gloss. And I really like the color Shane, and it's not typically a color I go for, but I think it's really pretty. But I'm really happy with how my eye makeup turned out. I absolutely love it. This is a very Jaclyn look, a very go-to, like this is the type of makeup that I really like to wear. So let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see me use this palette in a video, the Mini Controversy. And my overall thoughts on the Conspiracy palette is that it's amazing. And it's truly worth it. And if you haven't watched the documentary series, I highly recommend you do. You'll learn a lot. But yeah, that's it for me. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.